Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on adapt sound on Samsung. So if while listening to media on your Samsung phone, you want your media volume to automatically adjust the volume level to adapt to your head, then you want to turn on a feature called adapt sound. So for the end of this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do to turn on adapt sound on Samsung is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone, scroll up, locate and click on sounds and vibration. Once you selected sounds and vibration, scroll down the vibration page. Then here you want to locate and click on sound quality and effects. Then under sound quality and effect, then there is a feature called adapt sound. Click on it. Then here you can see adapt sound gives you perfect sound that's tuned just for your ears. It works whenever you are wearing headphones, choose a preset that matches your age, or take a hearing test to create a personalized sound profile. Now to turn on this feature, just come here and turn this on. Now under adapt sound 4, then click on that and select what you want to use this feature for your Samsung Galaxy phone. So in this case, it's going to be for both media and calls. So select that. If you want to use for call only, select calls. So then come down here and select your age range. So this is under 30 to 60 and over 60 years of age. Then select your age range. You can also click on the settings jar icon to select or see the adaptive sound. Then here is prefer ears for call. So if you prefer your right or left, make sure you set it here, and then sound clear. So if you want it soft or you want it clear, then you can just click on preview. So you just need to connect headphone to start and listen to the adaptive sound. Then once you're good, hit the back button and then you're good to go. So when you plug in your earpod and you're listening to media, or you have an incoming call or making a phone call on your Samsung phone, the adaptive sound will adjust the volume level to match your setup. So that's basically how to enable or turn on adapt sound on Samsung phone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.